damn, he must really like studs. How you gonna reject me when you're big at the top and small at the bottom? You know how people's clothes don't match? You know how they be wearing the puffer and then the swim trunks at the bottom? Druski don't match. I was once told Druski was built like a camera with a tripod on it. They said Druski was built like one of the baddies. Baddy, baddy, shot o'clock. Baddy, baddy, shot o'clock.
Which baddy? Which baddy?
Rollie Pollie snack meal. That's my girl though. No hate, no shade. Okay. Well, Druski really did reject me. I guess we'll never know what could have been for real.
Okay.
Okay, Druski. I'ma see you fine shit.